Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Quebran sa Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte and now Governor Candidate ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, number 2 sa balota. Maghangyo ako sa tanan ng mga supporters namin dinhi sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, those that are helping Team Quebran sa Dimaporo to also support our good friend Bam Aquino, number 5 sa balota. Nalipay si Go Bangging that Bam Aquino found time to drop by the capital town of Tubod. Dumaan siya sa Kapitolyo to see our provincial government employees, have coffee and lunch with Go Bangging, and then proceed to meet with our municipal lineup sa public market ng Tubod. During our discussions, Bam Aquino was very serious in his advocacy for better quality education and yung mga reforms ng kailangan ng Republic ng Pilipinas so that we can streamline yung mga problems ng DepEd, CHED at saka TESDA should he serve in the Senate. Maghangyo ako sa tanan to support Bam Aquino, one of the principal authors of Republic Act 10931, universal access to quality tertiary education o yung free college law. Yan ang ginawa niya para sa nasod when he served the Senate, and I'm sure he'll do so much more if we give him a chance to serve the Senate once again. So karong Mayong 12, Ayaw Kalimte, number 5 sa balota, Bam Aquino para sa Senado.